Kekenhun kiseng phalang hapok lama jongka Northeast Students Organization NESO negasni palay kalapanlong ya kajing yakhi da kabashong kalan mungor habaro akijala jongka thanj tay lamingi yagani kajing yakhi lapanlong kum kadak ban penram jor ya kajing bamla ka Sorkar Pdeng ban le ai hakaban pynkut no yaki kam ya umsnam kabala jia ha Manipur kabala ne mentala hendrio benai tam yagani kajing yakhi hanong ba shlong lapanlong ha umat bashir nyeng jong utirot sings im ubadan halai umkhra ha kababun ngut kidkhat jongka NESO kilawan benesim benta kani kajing yakhi ke NESO kalong ru ban pinpaw ya kajing songkhia halor kajing long jingman ha kajela Manipur kamtam habala hendrio benai menta klayat hendrio omshum layu i ya kinu kidak kishin bagajing long jingman kan jai jai no kinong yasim benta ha kani kajing yakhi kinthop ya kinong yalam kidkhat jongka KSU JSU GSU FKJGP HNYF, RBYF, HITO, Shillong Manipuri Students Union, Kuki Students Organization Shillong, Naga Students Union Shillong, Shillong Socio-Cultural Assami Students Association, NESO Students Union Shillong, Twipra Students Federation Shillong, Arunachal Students Union Shillong, Mara Students Organization, Batlai Students Association.
We feel the pain the same way like the other community feels. The other community feels maybe more or less, but we from the home state, we feel more. We feel sad. We feel so sorry for our brothers and sisters that we cannot do anything, but we can at least pray to God that these longings of peace be prevailed soon. But this peace cannot be prevailed alone by the speech, by such demonstration, but by our action we have to. We have to let the government, state government or the central government must know that we are also a part of India. If not, then what are you doing right now? The brothers, the sisters, the mothers, the fathers, the small kids, the youths are being displaced. They are becoming homeless. No situations are given. They are staying in the relief camp. And this is not just for one community, for what the community is I'm talking about. We concerned for the whole Manipur. I am here, not just for Meitei, but for Manipur. That includes the whole of the religions or the particular ethnic groups that exist in Manipur.
So, even the situation has been up to the peak level, but the central government has remained a meek spectator. They are busy with certain things. They are busy with outside the state, like Israel has been in conflict with Palestine. They are concerned with all those external things, not concerning the situation out there in Manipur. So we are so shocked because of the negligence or because of the ignorance of the central government for not gathering the demands made by the citizens of the people living in Manipur. We want peace, but to let peace prevail, there are several situations that has to be met.
Nagalian NESO milik panju kejak Menteri Po Ceram Manipur wanya kendu ija kita peralulung lakilong kimitei ikuki idonang ki pulom beren koki kimitei kunju janang kapur kijupun snow bangakwa ngongi kagalian juga kisun ka pakaniso berkuai kam sembiang kali kasih bamanta babishar mano bakla bak mado wadai ikamian ini jaga pensan di jindawa juno ada yang ini jaga mata kolom pengen jaga cilong snapjar mereka tak seren adi dewu coba Sorkar India. Nada kecilnya kita ini tuh Sorkar India apa cilam tahun Ramodi jaga ijia Manipur kapanisha baka Sorkar India amin sim bandun kecil umsnam coba kita kecil dulu Menteri Po Manipur. Pakata kanan kon tak hentay. Yun si kasapoy kapo, kanjia Assam, kanjia Tripura, kanjia Nagaland, kanjia Mizoram, kanjia ro po kanjia Amerika kajumi. Namar kumbagalong kaman lada kayalong kumi. Andrew penaikan ti kelaya kata jingia umsnam pun jalan Manipur. Ini insya punya kelung kena kajinga dun baik-baik. Andrai ni ipa kita bos secara coba sekali dia lah kalau henti pun jalan Manipur ini set kelut pakai lihat makna Iakhih cerita jalan zaman.
This is a very unfortunate incident that happened in Manipur, and I feel, as NESO, we felt that the government of India has failed terribly to address the situation in Manipur. We have called upon the government of India to resolve the issue, but till today it seems that the government of India is still turning a blind eye and a deaf ear to the sufferings of the people of Manipur. How long will this go on? How long will we allow this to carry on? The people, lives are at stake, loss of property, the students' career are at stake and being destroyed. One generation can be destroyed because of this crisis, but the government of India is not paying any attention. So NESO, with the support of all the concerned organizations, is demanding that the government of India should take the initiative to bring about a permanent peace in the state of Manipur. They should call all the parties to the negotiating table and start a dialogue so that an early solution which is agreeable to all the stakeholders of the state of Manipur can be reached so that peace can once again prevail in the state of Manipur. And if the government of India still delays to take the initiative, it only proves that the government of India is not interested in the welfare of the indigenous peoples of the Northeast in general and the indigenous peoples of Manipur in particular, but it's only interested in its land and its resources. And this will only further alienate the indigenous peoples of the Northeast from the mainland of India. This is a warning to the government of India that if they want to alienate more the people of the Northeast from mainland India, the ball is in the court of the government of India. They should act now, or the time may be too late.